Step into the 2019 Dodge Journey. Dodge prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.